Hello everyone, welcome to Wings of Fire Academy, a place for free education. My name is Grace and today we are going to study class 7th English Bal Bharati unit number 4 poem number 1 Under the Greenwood Tree. So let's start. Now Under the Greenwood Tree, written by William Shakespeare, tries to convey to us the happiness one gets living in nature surrounded by all the wonders created by God. So first of all, we are going to read the poem. Under the greenwood tree, under the greenwood tree, who loves to lie with me and turn his merry note unto the sweet bird's throat. Come hither, come hither, come hither. Here shall he see no enemy but winter and rough weather. Who doth ambition shun and loves to leave the sun, seeking the food he eats and pleased with what he gets. Come hither, come hither, come hither. Here shall he see no enemy but winter and rough weather. William Shakespeare. Let's see the first stanza. Under the greenwood tree, who loves to lie with me. Now you can see on this picture, now poet is saying under the greenwood tree, who loves to lie with me. Under the greenwood tree, it means greenwood पेड़ के नीचे जो मेरे साथ यहाँ पर बैठना पसंद करेगा. And turn his merry note unto the sweet bird's throat. Now here note it means a musical sound or tone, right? So वो कह रहा है कि जो अपने टोन या सुर को, right, पंछियों के मीठे गले से बदलना चाहेगा. इट मीन्स द पर्सन शुड सिंग हैप्पीली जस्ट लाइक अ फ्री बर्ड. कम हिदर, कम हिदर, कम हिदर. यहाँ आओ, यहाँ आओ, यहाँ आओ. हियर शैल ही सी नो एनिमी बट विंटर एंड रफ वेदर. यहाँ कोई दुश्मन नहीं है लेकिन यहाँ पर सिर्फ सर्दियाँ और कोई ना कोई मौसम है, मीन्स रफ वेदर है. Who doth ambition shun and loves to leave the sun. So ambition it means a desire to achieve, right? महत्वाकांक्षा होती है. So कौन अपनी महत्वाकांक्षा दूर करता है और यहाँ पर सूरज में रहना पसंद करेगा. Seeking the food he eats and pleased with what he gets. और अगर तुमको यहाँ पर फूड चाहिए, राइट, फूड के लिए अगर तुम देख रहे हो, मांग रहे हो, तो जो यहाँ पर मिलेगा उससे प्रसन्न होकर, राइट. कम हिदर, कम हिदर, कम हिदर. यहाँ आओ, यहाँ आओ, यहाँ आओ. Here shall he see no enemy but winter and rough weather. यहाँ कोई दुश्मन नहीं है लेकिन सर्दियाँ और कोई ना कोई मौसम है, राइट, रफ वेदर है. रिटन बाय विलियम शेक्सपियर. ये विलियम शेक्सपियर के द्वारा लिखा गया है. नाउ द पोएम अंडर द ग्रीनवुड ट्री रिटन बाय विलियम शेक्सपियर is inviting us to live in the nature and experience the magic of nature. He invites people to come and relax in the green forest, away from their daily routine of life and enjoy the beauty of nature. He also tells the people that in the forest their only enemy would be the weather, right? एक ही enemy हो सकता है, दुश्मन हो सकता है, और वो है weather, which could be easily tackled. Okay, what message does the poem convey? Now the message conveyed through this poem is that if one wants to live a peaceful life without tensions, enemies and problems, he should spend his life in nature, wherein he would be happy and relaxed. He should forget all his desires and rejoice in the glory of nature, like a free bird. Let's see the hard word meanings. Greenwood, it means forest filled with trees full of green leaves. Merry, it means jolly and full of high spirits. Note, it means a musical sound, a tone, musical, right? Hither, it means come here, over here. Ambition, it means desire to achieve. Shun, it means to avoid. Now seeking it means searching, looking for. And eighth one is please. Pleased means happy, content. Okay, now hither, ये ओल्ड इंग्लिश वर्ड है hither या hither हम कह सकते हैं. So this is an old English word. Okay, it means come here, over here. So today we learn 4.1 Under the Greenwood Tree. This poem written by William Shakespeare. I hope you all understood this poem. इसके क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स के लिए आप चैनल प्लेलिस्ट चेक कर सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन आंसर का वीडियो मैंने ऑलरेडी अपलोड किया है। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। ऑल्सो प्रेस द बेल आइकन so you'll get the notification of the new video. So this is all for today's lecture. Thank you.